Olive was a young octopus with soft purple skin and 8 wiggly arms. She lived near a coral reef and loved to explore the ocean. One morning, Olive swam farther than ever before. She saw dolphins dancing in the waves and a whale singing deep below. The sea was full of wonders. But soon, Olive got tangled in a drifting fishing net. She tried to escape, but it wrapped around her arms. A friendly seagull named Sky flew down and pulled the net loose with her beak. "Be careful, Olive," Sky said. "The ocean is beautiful, but it needs our help." Olive thanked Sky and swam home. From that day on, she told all the sea animals to watch out for trash and protect their ocean home. Moral: even small animals can make a big difference for the ocean.